There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.
Hey, how's everyone doing today? I hope you guys are doing great. My name is Matt Ward. I'm the president here at Auvoria Prime, and welcome to this special call where we're going to be going over our brand new AI algorithm that is called KraitosX that trades in the gold markets. And ladies and gentlemen, I got to tell you, this is super, super exciting. We had our original call this last week on Tuesday to launch the new year. Had almost 200 people on that call. And since people have been using KraitosX this week, the results have been absolutely amazing. It's been outstanding. And people are loving this amazing product. Not just Kratos, right? Which Dominic's going to go over here in a minute, which all the updates and everything that has happened with Kratos, because with our beta test team and all of our stuff, we've been working on the original Kratos for so long that now we're into the 4th version of it, and it's doing better than ever. It's absolutely crushing the markets in a major way, and then KraitosX as well. And now we have back testing that we can actually show you guys with KraitosX as well. So it's really exciting what's happening here at Auvoria Prime. And there we go. London's in the house. Sweden. Awesome, Jay. Good to see you, man, from London. Sweden is here. Sweden. A lot of people. Croatia. What's up, Dabbers in the house. Austria is in the house. Well, I don't think I've seen Austria yet. That's huge. Where else we got? Lutton, let's see, UK, America. Hey, got somebody from here. Ireland's in the house. What is going on? Croatia. I see it. Awesome. Welcome, guys, to the call. Super excited. So I'm going to bring on Dominic Plebnik. Dominic, for you guys don't know, not only is he a top leader here at Auvoria Prime, but he also heads up all the beta testing, working on Kratos and KraitosX, along with our developers. And man, this guy has just, not only is he an amazing trader himself, so he understands the markets and he understands how to optimize our algorithms to do the best they can possibly be. And that's why now, almost 4 years old, Auvoria Prime is leading with the best AI algorithms trading the markets that anyone's ever seen. And so let me see here, Dominic, I'm guessing I'm going to need to make you co-host. There we go. So Dominic's going to come on and he's going to share with you guys all the amazing updates about Kratos and then KraitosX. And then what's going to happen, stay on this call, because at the end of this call, I'm going to be launching some really amazing incentives and promotions for you guys that you don't want to miss. So Dominic, I appreciate you, brother. I'm sure everyone on this call is super excited to hear about all these updates, and even more importantly, just to get educated about how these amazing algorithms work. So I'm going to turn the call over to you, my friend.
Well, thank you, Matt. Thank you. Hey, everybody. Welcome to the call. As Matt said, I'm really excited for you that you're here. You're one of the first ones that are going to hear about KraitosX and also Kratos and everything that we did. We are already working on some really great updates for KraitosX, because as soon as we released it, we had like some ideas. So we're going to be working on that. But before, let's jump into the presentation. So I'm not going to take too much of your time because it's Saturday. I know that you want to be with your families and then also with your friends. So first of all, welcome to our call, Auvoria Prime. And today we're going to be officially launching KraitosX. KraitosX is one of the best EAs for trading gold that I ever saw, that I ever used, because the way it trades, you will see, is just amazing, and I will think that you will all love it. So first of all, who am I? I'm Dominic Plownik, as Matt already said. I'm a VIP 5000 in Auvoria Prime. You can also follow me on Instagram under Dominic P. I'm with Auvoria Prime since first day, so literally first day. So we're gonna be already a 4-year-old company. So you're right now at the right time, at the right place, with the right people, okay? Because we went through a lot of things, and now we're finally ready to show the world who we are. So today, what you're gonna discover, today you're gonna discover how everyday investors are surpassing traditional investment returns by harnessing the power of AI-driven trading technology. What is really important for you to understand that the future of wealth creation is through power of the financial markets. It's never been easier to make a profit through trading than it is now, that it is today. Why? Because technology advanced so much, and now we regular people like me, you, are getting access to technologies that before were only reserved for people that had like millions and millions and millions of dollars on their bank accounts, so they can even afford to go with companies that have tech like how we have it right now in the Auvoria Prime. And I think that even hedge funds would be like, looking at our AIs, if they would know that actually we exist, and we already have like some big investors also coming in using our trading algorithms. So now I would like to introduce you to the largest financial markets in the world. And what it's like really interesting is that the statistic shows that less than 1% of the population participates in the financial markets. Okay, less than 1% of the people are participating, either trading Forex, either trading crypto, or on the stock exchange. What is really interesting, because a lot of people know about that, but they're not participating. Is it because they don't know how to, or they don't even know that they can? Okay, and this is like what we are changing, showing people that they can be a part of the biggest financial markets in the whole wide world. Now you're gonna say, yeah, Dominic, I heard about that, but about AI trading, about algorithmic trading, about the financial markets, but I don't know a lot of people that are successful. Here I would like you to introduce the one of the richest people in the whole world, and his name is Jim Simmons, and he's the founder of the Medallion Fund. I didn't know about him like 6 months ago. I don't even think that any of you know about him, but he's like one, I would say, pioneer of algorithmic trading. He's the really a mathematician, doctor of mathematics, that he developed the first algorithms like how we are using them today. And he started his Medallion Fund in 1988. Okay, and his average annual return, so that means yearly return, it's only 60%. Okay, 60% a year. And it also gained almost 100% in 2008, while the S&P lost 38%. So you have to know how important it is to trade with the algorithms and not just like invest into stocks. And if you would invest $10,000 in his fund in 1988, when he started his fund, today in 2008, you will have 121 million on your account. And then in 2018, he closed down the fund and kicked out all the investors, and only kept inside his family and his employees. And if you would be in his fund till 2018, you would be making $13 billion. It would be on your account 13 billion from just $10,000. But you can see it's from 1988 to 2018. So that's like how many years? That's like 30 years. Okay, so what you have to give yourself always when you start trading, investing, you have to give yourself time. Because most of the people that come into trading and think, oh, I'm gonna become a millionaire in a year or 2 years. But no, guys, it doesn't work like that. You have to give the investment time to grow, because the compounding effect starts when? After 5 years, after 8 years. You can see here, from 2008 to 2018, in just in 10 years, how much it grows with the compounding. Okay, so this is really important. And today we're going to be talking about Forex. Okay, I know a lot of people know about Forex, but a lot of people also think that Forex, it's a scam. But Forex, it's a global market. It's the biggest market in the world, and Forex is just a short term for foreign exchange currency trading. It's a global decentralized market, is the largest and most liquid financial market in the world, and the daily turnover, guys, in April 2022. You can check all of this. This is like all facts. It has a daily turnover of $7.5 trillion a day. 7.5 trillion. That's 7,500 billion dollars every single day. And the key participants include banks, financial institutions, corporations, governments, and individual traders. It operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and you can trade from any smart device or laptop or computer, and you can get access to this. But what is like really interesting is that another statistic shows that 90% of the people lose 90% of their capital in the first 90 days. And here you can see like some screenshots of the brokers, where the brokers have to have a notice. Okay, so many and so many investors are losing money with us. And like, why do so many people lose money? Why most people fail in trading Forex? First of all, lack of education. Everybody thinks that he can become a trader in 5 days, just taking like YouTube videos or buying like a course. But guys, it takes like years and years of practice and being inside and trading to be really successful. Then people don't have any risk management. They just like go without risk management. Then emotional trading, okay, overconfidence, lack of time, busy schedules, because people think they can trade over their phones. But guys, professional traders, they have like time of the day when they trade like 8 hours, 10 hours. Misleading mentors, the IG mentors, the Facebook mentors, where they're showing you like big accounts, Lambos, that and that and that, and you just think, oh, they're making a lot of money. Yeah, they're making a lot of money selling you, I would say, BS courses that they're not worth anything. And then also unrealistic expectations. But then I was asking myself, okay, because I was like you, I was looking at like the silver bullet, like how I can get like a lot of money, how can I start trading? But then you see all these things, all these like scams going around online. And now I was always like, what if there would be a technology that can trade for me? Okay. And imagine in the fast changing technology and powerful algorithms that could simplify trading in the financial markets for people, even for complete beginners and people who don't have time to trade. And this is where algorithmic trading comes in. And now you're going to say, what is an algorithm? A successful trading strategy that it's built into a system using software to enter and exit trades. This is a strategy that it's a good strategy, and then it got automated. Okay, these algorithms enable you to trade on the Forex market automatically over MT4 or MT5. So the next thing, once we develop an algorithm, then after initial coding, what we have to start doing, back testing, forward testing, optimizing, and then we are just testing and repeat. Why? Because here in Auvoria Prime, we want to give you like the best of the best, and we will never stop developing. We will never stop advancing our algorithms. Okay, so that's how we came to Kratos. Kratos got launched, like it's already like trading since 2020 on a live account. Okay, I have access to that live account. It's still trading successful. It went from $5,000, right now it's on $600,000. And yeah, guys, it's like year after year, Kratos is getting better and better and better. And the developers, they didn't want to give this algorithm to anyone. They just want to kept it for themselves. But then in 2023, they actually decided that they're gonna partner with Auvoria Prime. In January, we launched Kratos, but since we launched it, Kratos in Auvoria Prime, we also make like significant updates to it because of our, let's say, community, people always giving suggestions and me like coming in. So we really put like a lot of work and a lot of updates into it. And Kratos is not just like some software that you can just buy like on like, I don't know, MT5 for $100 or $200. This is not that somebody can just come up with. Okay, it has like over 60,000 lines of codes, 60,000 lines of codes. And what we did with all these updates, we increased monthly profits by 100%. And again, all this is verified data, and I will also show you that. But first of all, this software, it's not for you. Okay, if you prefer active trading, that means that you want to sit at the charts, you look at the charts, and that it's not for you. You want immediate high returns. Guys, forget it. This is not a software that's going to give you 500, 300, 100% every single month. You're unwilling to accept any risk. Okay, you have to know all trading involves risk, and the software, it's not for those looking for guaranteed returns, because nothing in life is guaranteed. You have limited capital. Guys, if you don't have at least $3,000 to put on the software, Don't do it. Get the capital, because you're not gonna be happy with the results. Yes, you can start with 1,000, but like to start seeing good results, 3,000 and above. You expect unrealistic returns, guys. We're aiming for 2 to 7% every single month, and I will show you why we are aiming for 2 to 7%. And you prefer traditional investment methods. That means stock investment, bonds, whatever. That you don't like algorithmic trading. That's not for you, and you want to micromanage everything. Okay, you don't have to micromanage here, and the more you micromanage, the worse results you're gonna get. Okay, but on the other hand, who is this software for? Okay, you're a busy professional entrepreneur. The option suits busy individuals who want their money to work for them despite their limited time. Okay, don't need a lot of time to trade with Kratos. You seek hands-free trading. Okay, that you want to set it up, and that's it. You appreciate tailored risk management. We have conservative management. We have moderate and aggressive settings. You have capital to invest, that you can invest 3,000, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, 80,000, $200,000 into trading. You aim for steady returns, that you're somebody that wants steady returns between 2 to 7%, that you value diversified strategies, because Kratos has more strategies working in synergy, and you're interested in compounding growth through time, that you really want to build wealth, and you're not that one, oh, let's go all in, let's see what is going to happen, but like that you're really a person who wants to grow wealth through our platform. Okay, so now let's go more into Kratos advanced algorithms, analyzing 27 pairs at the same time, more than 80% win rate. You have complete control. You control the trading settings, risk settings, currency shield, capital protection. Then trading, you will see like a lot of position, also like up to 5-7 positions a day. Trading settings, adjustable take profit, growth of like 80 to 120% annually. Everything it's included on the VPS. What does that mean? That you will actually get a cloud computer, so you don't have to have your computer turned on all the time, because Kratos needs access to the internet all the time. That's why we are using also the VPS, and also that our software it's protected from somebody from stealing it. It's automated trading. It does not apply for all the countries. If you're living in the US, then you will have to like press two notifications every 24 hours. You will have to press I approve sells on Kratos and I approve buys on Kratos, and that's it. And that's like all. And here you can see like the original version of Kratos, that the one that started in Auvoria Prime, and you can see here since 2022, it's already running, and you can see here the results. The results were good, but I will show the results that we have like with the new version, that it's only exclusive to Auvoria Prime. So what updates did we do in 2023? We implemented a trailing stop loss. What is that? It protects your profits. Once you're in profit, it protects your profits. So if the market turns around, it's going to take us out with profits. Okay, locks in gains, and the market moves favorably. Like when the market goes our way, it locks more and more and more and more profit. So you get like more profit. Minimizes the risk of giving back profits in case of reversal. Then we implemented quantum zone strategy. The quantum zone strategy enhances market entry precision by analyzing the market last 30-day range. Our strategy is to avoid buying near market tops by assessing the upper range of the last 30 days, and avoid selling near market bottoms by examining the lower range of the last 30 days. And you can see here how all these two strategies, it's working in synergy. And you can see here Kratos, like it's just amazing, like to work Kratos, how it works. And you can see here it was a first sell position here, it added another sell position here, another sell position here, another sell position. When the market it's moving in your favor, then you just also have an option to stack more trades in to get like more profit. And then you can see here the red line, it's the trading stop loss that secured all these positions, and you can see where the market price went. So this is like what it's really amazing how Kratos works. We also added relaxing after X many of trades, like how many trades you want to have open at Kratos. Chill out if you like, let's say, reach 5% drawdown. It's not going to open up any new trades at the position if positive. You saw that right now on the picture. So we put like really a lot of thinking in behind it, how to make Kratos more profitable without how would I say, raising risk. So we lower the risk, or like the same risk, or even we lowered, I would say we lowered the risk by far. with implementing all these things in. But then we had 2 months ago like the biggest update of Kratos, and this is really like the future of trading and investing, because Kratos 4.0, we included the smart money concepts. The people that know about smart money concepts trading, they know that that's like one of the best strategies to trade. So what we did, we looked into it, how we can implement the smart money concepts into Kratos, and we implemented that on a daily chart. On the daily chart, we are actually looking into which direction the market is going. Is it going into the buys, or is it even going to the sells? And then we determine into which way are we going to be trading. So right now I will show you how this looks. And here are these three examples. You can see this was like before New Year's, before the market closes. You can see here USD Swiss franc. USD Swiss franc just tanked, and you can see we were just selling the market. The same with USD CAD, we were just selling. And then on the other side, Euro USD, we were just buying. This is like the beauty. This is like what everybody looks for when they're like trying to trade with the softwares, when they're trying to develop softwares, that they would be trading with the trend, because that's the hardest thing to do with softwares, and we actually did it. So I'm like really proud of like our team, our developers, and everything that we are doing for the people, because what we're doing, like guys, you will see in the next year, 2 years, we will change a lot of lives. And I hope it's going to be you, and I hope that you guys are going to be the ones helping us like get the word out about Kratos and what we have also here in AP. So here you can see the new version against the old version. On the left side, you can see the old version, and on the new side, on the right side, you can see the new version. And just let's take a look at May. You can see the old version in May just did 1.56%, but the new version did in May 8.64%, like so, like 9%. So it did almost 500% more than the old version, and you can see how much better in every month the new version is. It's like doing 100% or more in profits. And this is, guys, like what I'm telling you, this is what we're doing. We're just making things better and better month by month. We are looking at the market. Also, guys, I'm not gonna like talk to you here and like show you and try to sell you, because you know I always say people lie, men lie, women lie, everybody lies, but the numbers don't. And now I'm gonna show you the verified results. All these results are verified by my FX book. All of these are live results from live accounts, real accounts, from real people, from our company, people that are in our community. And I will show you now these results so you can see how Kratos works. And you have to know that Kratos works on small accounts of $1,000 and even up to $1 million account. Like I'm trying like $1 million account because we're getting like bigger investors in with bigger money, and I also want to see how it works on the bigger account. So right now you can see here an account that was started just like here. The first deposit, look guys, the first deposit was only $912, and on the 31st of December, now it made like another deposit of 422. So from March, this account grew over 75% already. So I think this account is gonna do way more than 100% till March 6th, when it's gonna be 1 year, and we are like aiming for 80 to 120% a year. Then we have like here an account that you can see it did 63%. The person deposited $7,500 on the account and already withdrew $7,500. So that means that now he has the balance of 4,088. So he's only trading with profit. So he doesn't have any risk anymore. And this is like the nicest thing that everybody can do, that they're like just trading with the money, with the profit. Okay. Here you can see one like newer customer that like he was like waiting with us, like he would not start, but then like he said, okay, I'm gonna start. And right now he cannot stop talking about Kratos and Auvoria Prime. Absolutely, like I know why, because you can see his results. He's up like 12% in less than 2 months. Like just this week, like Kratos closed out on his account 5.41%, guys. This is like the banks give you 5% in like 3-4 years if you keep money on the banks. Then we have here an account from May 9th. You can see up 43%, started with 12,500 euros, right now sitting at 17,000 euros. Then here we have like one really beautiful account. The customer started with 19,000, already withdrew 4,000, up 25%, but like his results are just like, I don't know what he's even doing. In November he did 10%, and in December he did like 12% plus. Then here we have like an account of 80,000 euros deposit. All these are real accounts, guys. Again, our customers are using like our EAs, our products. 80,000 deposit right now. He's almost at 100K, so he's going to be a six-figure trader. He has $99,986, so he's just missing 14 more dollars, so it's going to be a 100K account. Like results are just like astonishing. You can see he's averaging like 3, 4, 3, 5, 5%. But on the other hand, when the accounts are like a little bigger, you can see the profit in euros, 3,000 euros, 3,500, 3,500, 4,500 euros, and 5,000 euros in December, guys. This is like really like above average pay in Europe. Like, guys, this is like amazing. We're like really changing people's lives with our technology. And here you can see $1 million. This is a demo account. So, you know, $1 million demo account that I started because I want to see how it works, because there's an investor who wants to deposit 4 million live money, so he wants to see first how it's working. But guys, the results are just astonishing. Like the bigger the account, the faster like the compounding, the way Kratos works. You can see we're averaging 11% a month right now. This week we did 2.31%, and this is $30,000, guys, in a week. It's just like when I see these numbers, I'm just like, wow, what we have. In December, we did 11%, and you can see the profit just in December when you have a bigger account, $128,000, guys, $128,000, and then this person pays the same subscription that the 1,000 people with $1,000 on their account pay. So you just have to start thinking bigger, and you just have to start like creative ways how to put more money into your trading account. So this is Kratos. Then I'm going to show you also the results of KraitosX. I will be there really soon. So now you see the results are just amazing. And now it's KraitosX. Okay, KraitosX, it's everything that you guys love about Kratos and everything that you saw. Just what we did, we implemented and tested and tweaked and like did the algorithm. So it's like specially designed for trading on only gold. Okay. So it's everything that you love about Kratos: smart entries, smart money concept, smart money multi-time frame. By KraitosX, you can even choose like on which time frame the smart money should work at. You can have M30, you can have H1, H2, H4, H8, and I will also show you how easy it is to start trading with Kratos. Okay, but before. No, let me show you how easy it is to trade with Kratos, because I think this is like important so people understand, and all of you understand like how easy it is to work that. Like even my grandma of 80 years, I think she can like set up Kratos by itself. Or my daughter, she's like 3 years old. Okay, I would have to help her a little bit, but then it doesn't take a lot to manage these things. I'm just like gonna open here Kratos so you guys can see. Okay, sorry, I have to share the screen too. Okay, here we are now. Okay, so I just connected to my VPS, and once you're in your VPS, you will just put in your trading account, and everything else it's like already done from our site. And then on the here on the left, you will see what you will see expert advisors, and then what you do, like you just hold Kratos and drag it onto the chart. It's gonna ask you to add Kratos on. I will press no because I already have it on with the settings. And then this is going to show up to you. There's going to be a little things that maybe you have to like change if you want to, if you don't want to, if you want to be more aggressive, if you want to be like more conservative, then it's like some things that you have to change. Everything it's in our help desk, like with pictures, with videos, everything. And also, guys, we have a white glove service. It's called AP Setup, where our customer service setups everything for you. Okay, and then what you do, you press OK. And that's it. And then everything else is done by Kratos. So you guys, how long did it take? Like 30 seconds, let's say 1 minute. Okay, let's say 5 minutes. And then like how much time do you need per week to like manage Kratos? I would say you need like 5 minutes every single day, just that you like connect at least once to your VPS and you check that everything it's working how it should be working. So the next thing, what I want to show you, what it's in progress for Kratos and what we're doing. First of all, backtesting development. It's already done. we have the version. Now we're gonna start back testing it next week. So we're gonna be testing Kratos and KraitosX. What we're gonna get with that? We're gonna get optimized set files for KraitosX. So we will be optimizing. Let's say 1st of February, last day of January, you will get a new set file, and that set file is going to have the best settings optimized for the last 90 days. That means for January, December, and November. So the best settings, we will, like, I don't know, 2 set files. The set file with lowest drawdown and the set file with the biggest profit. Okay, then you will be able to choose which set file are you gonna actually use. We did the first backtest once we got the file, and the first backtest showed that KraitosX did 200% in a year, trading a year 200%. KraitosX trading 200% it did with the biggest drawdown of 29%. Okay, guys, so get excited because like this is gonna change like your finances and a lot of people's finances around you. Okay, then we're gonna have adaptive strategies, adjusted strategies dynamic to evolving market conditions, enhance efficiency in managing trading portfolios. And then like one thing that I'm like really excited about is gonna be called autopilot mode. And what is gonna be autopilot mode? With the back testing and everything that we're gonna be doing, you will have like an option to turn on autopilot in Kratos. And what the autopilot is gonna do is gonna trade every pair differently, and it's gonna be the best possible settings for that pair. So this is gonna be also the next step, like that I'm like really excited about. So these guys can see that we're doing really, really big things. And one promise like from all of us that in Auvoria Prime to you is that continuous improvements and optimization for optimal performance. Why is this important to us? Because first of all, it's important for us that our customers have success and that they're comfortable in what we are having and what we have, because also so they can share it with their friends and the loved ones, because we really want to change a lot of lives around the globe. So KraitosX, it's available today. You can start trading with KraitosX today. Okay, so how do you actually start trading? It's really simple. It's like 4 steps. Okay, we're gonna help you. People that invited you to this webinar are gonna help you. First of all, you have to get the AP membership. The second thing is you have to get a broker account where you're going to deposit the money. If you're not comfortable at first to start with real money, you can open up a demo account where it's like just monopoly money, where you can like test it out for a month, 2 months, 3 months until you're comfortable in what we have. Okay, you connect your EA to your trading account, and then what you do, you just press auto trading, and that's it, guys. 4 simple steps for you to start trading today and using like one of the best and most powerful technologies in the world. So before, I just want to show you how much it is, but don't get on, because like these are not the last prices what you see here, because Matt and the company and like all the leaders, we were like, guys, we have to do something special for people that never traded with us, with people that already trade with us, because it's the new year. Let's give people like something really amazing. So to get KraitosX, okay, you need a silver pass, and silver pass is initial, it's $380, and then every single month it's $228. What you get for this $228 is like, I always tell people, like, guys, that this is like not like expensive enough. Like we have to make it more expensive, because something like that shouldn't be costing like $228 a month. You get Kratos and KraitosX for $228 a month. You get the VPS private server. You get Discord community when you can chat with other people that are using Kratos. You get software updates totally for free. You have 24/7 support that you can write into support. People like helping you without any binding. You can cancel whenever you want. You keep 100% of the profits, guys. Nobody takes your profits. All the profits are yours. And then you also have referral commissions. I did a slide here. I hope Matt's not going to be mad, but this 308, we have this is just like for a silver pack, and then Matt's going to show you like all the other offers that we have. We did a New Year special, okay? And the New Year special is that you just pay the first month. Now, when you start, guys, you pay only $208, and then you have like in the next 30, like after 30 days, you have $228. Guys, this is just like amazing. Okay, and if you don't want to pay that $228, then once you see the results with Kratos that you're definitely gonna see, guys, you recommend like 3 people to our company that use Kratos and KraitosX, guys, and it's completely for free. I don't think there is a better thing like out there right now than Kratos and KraitosX with Auvoria Prime for you to like really get after your goals that you set in for the new year's, like financial goals, everything that you want to do. And guys, like one good year can set you up for the next 10, 20, 30 years. So guys, get started today, especially right now, when you're gonna hear what Matt has to tell you and all these special promotions.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Dominic. And man, I hope you guys are fired up as I am about Kratos and KraitosX, the two most powerful AI algorithms, period. I can tell you, Dominic, since 2018, seen just about every algorithm indicator known to man, right? And none of them are good. I can just tell you that much right now. And this thing is the most powerful algorithm, period. We actually one of the engineers who helped create this whole thing was actually worked for NASA. And we have some high-end engineers and they look at this like this is the most powerful trading algorithm we've ever seen in our life because of what Dominic and his team, along with Auvoria Prime, and how we've just optimized this. Is this something else you want to show, Dominic?
Yeah, I forgot to show them like the first results that we got now with KraitosX since the official launch, and here you can see like really like conservative settings like running, and you can see we did this week we did 2.85%, and the drawdown what I'm like the most amazed was like 0.55%, and like people that know trading like they know that like this Friday was like NFP. So NFP it's like the most volatile like like news coming out, and it's just like we went through like nothing, like a hot knife through butter. So this is like I don't know, I'm like so excited about it that we're gonna change like a lot of really a lot of people's lives like around the globe.
Amen. That's absolutely what we're here for, and that's what Auvoria Prime is about. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna close this call out with some promotions for you guys. Dominic just hit on a little bit, but here's what we're doing. KraitosX is so powerful that we decided as a company and as leaders that if you want your hands on KraitosX, you have to be on a silver access pass, as Dominic was just sharing with you guys. But here's what I'm going to tell you. If you go to any financial advisor in the world, they're going to tell you to diversify. They're going to tell you not to put all your eggs in one basket, right? And we believe about the same thing here. And the beautiful thing about the silver access pass is it gives you access to Kratos and KraitosX. And can you run those on the same account? Yeah, absolutely you can. And so to be able to diversify with two different algorithms that are trading in the foreign exchange market, the largest market in the world, and the gold market, it's a win-win, right? It's amazing to me that it's only $228. When I've seen other companies out there and other competitors that didn't have anything near as good as this trying to sell their stuff for $10,000, $12,000 up front and $1,000 a month. So to be able to have this amazing technology, but you do have to be on a silver access pass, okay? So as we're going through January promotion, so this promotion started this week, and it's going to end January 31st at midnight, okay? After January 31st midnight, it is over. What we're doing is we're giving $100 off, as Dominic just mentioned, $100 off a silver access pass. So now instead of $308, you can get in for $208, and then just $228 a month for two powerful algorithms that will absolutely help you build your legacy and build your wealth in a major way, okay? And then as we're going on, for everybody who has a bronze access pass right now, you're currently in Auvoria Prime, you're on a bronze access pass and you're ready to upgrade. You want to listen, I don't want just Kratos, or I don't want just Gearbox, or I don't want just Flash. I really want KraitosX. If you upgrade to silver, we're going to give you $20 off to upgrade to silver, okay? Again, this ends January 31st at midnight, okay? Now, here's something else we're doing. Maybe you're watching this and you say, Matt, I actually used to be a part of Auvoria Prime, but I really would love to come back. Or maybe you're somebody on this call and you've had customers who were here in the past and you want them to come back, you want them to try this. Here's what we're going to do. For anyone who has been inactive in Auvoria Prime for 60 days or more, we're going to give them $150 off their silver access pass, which is a huge discount. In fact, that means they can come in just for $158. $158 for someone who's been inactive for 60 days, and this $228 a month, which is a massive deal. Again, this ends January 31st at midnight. You want to make sure that you're getting everyone on this. Now, Dominic hit on this just a little bit. One of our services here at Auvoria Prime is called AP Setup Pro. And so also for everyone who joins in January, this is a $40 value, okay? You're going to be able to get AP Setup Pro for free. Now, what is AP Setup Pro? AP Setup Pro is for someone who says, man, this is so new to me. I don't even know where to start. I don't know how to set up a broker. I don't know how to go and get cryptocurrency. I don't know any of this stuff. Good news. We actually have a program here where you can set up an appointment with one of our customer service agents. They will set up a Zoom with you, and they will walk you through step by step, getting your VPS set up, getting your Kratos set up, all this set up for you guys, along with your broker and everything else. And that is absolutely free for everyone who joins in the month of January between now and January 31st at midnight Eastern Standard Time. So I hope you guys are super, super excited about this in a major way. And here's what I'll close with is we just came into a new year. And at the beginning of a new year, what do everybody do? We have New Year's resolutions. Maybe you're into setting goals. You know, it's a fresh start. And let's talk about, though, 2023. 2023, at the beginning of 2023, I bet you had some big goals. I bet you set out some New Year's resolutions of what you want to do. And my question is, did you accomplish that in 2023? And if the answer is no, here's what I'm going to tell you. 2024 will be over in a flash. Next thing you know, you'll turn around, it's going to be July. Half the year's over, and then you're going into Thanksgiving, Christmas, and then, oh, it's going into 2025. And my cry to you is don't let another year go by where you didn't start making significant changes in your life. Don't let another year go by to where you're like, oh man, you know, this got in the way, I didn't quite have enough money, I didn't get started. You know, stop the excuses. You only get one shot at this life. And 5-10 years is going to pass you by whether you like it or not. As fast as 1 year passes by, next thing you know, it's 5 years, next thing it's 10 years. And there's this, the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again, hoping for a different result. That's the definition of insanity. And my goal for you is that you would stop the insanity and you would stop doing the same thing over and over again that kept you broke and start doing something different that starts compounding. The compounding effect of Kratos and KraitosX, this thing automatically compounds. The compounding effect is how people grow great wealth. And most people grow it at 6 and 7% a year. You just saw the numbers from Dominic. Okay, this technology has the ability to create crazy, incredible wealth that allow you to go do the things that you want to do in life, right? Some of the greatest things in life is creating memories. How do you create memories? You got to have money, right? You have to have money to travel the world. You have to have money to do things that you want to do and create those memories that you can take with you forever. But it takes finances, it takes residual income, and it takes the ability to be able to create money in a major, major way. And we have the technology to do it. So get back with the person who got this video to you guys or this call. Let them know, hey, I need your enrollment link. And everything is already set up in the back office, the codes, everything. You'll automatically get the $100 off. Or if you're upgrading, you're automatically get the $20 off. And get started, right? The best thing you can do is possibly in your life is to take the first step forward and get started. We have a group of mentors, a team behind this thing. We have a community within Telegram and Discord that will be there to help you along the way so that you'll be brought into this community along with us and help you create wealth in a major, major way. So, hey, let's go make this year an amazing year. I look forward to you guys joining Auvoria Prime in this amazing community. More importantly, I look forward to hearing about your success real, real soon. Have an amazing day, everybody. Bye-bye.